Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the rich color effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, scroll down to find the rich color effect, and then we're first going to delete this effect and click and drag the rich color effect down to the timeline, and then we're going to play through it to see what it does. Bring it to the beginning of the clip, grab the end of it, elongate it to the end of the clip, and now with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the filter, the strength, the noise, the size, and the speed. You guys can mess around with these as you'd like to fit your effect needs. So we're going to play the video and see how it looks. Kind of like a modernized, like 60s, 70s, maybe even 80s type of camera look to it. Well, guys, that's the video. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.